Hi there, I'm Stuart from Petrofer UK. I want to bring to you the subject cleaners. This is part of our marketing campaign at the moment on cut, clean and harden. Cleaners are a fundamental part of all of the industrial processes. Historically they were thought of as just an unnecessary evil in production, but now they're fundamentally important in improving the whole of the process steps in any production line. Cleaners in the Petrofer range cover many types. And the challenges for these have been brought even more to the forefront with all the new technologies in e-mobility, wind energy as an example, energy reduction within production purposes, and sustainability requirements across the whole of us in the world. The cleaner technology we have is synergistic across all of the other process steps that you have. If you're machining something, it's important that the cleaner that you use satisfies the requirements of that cutting fluid, but also leaves the component in the right state for that subsequent operation, for example being heat treatment. If you use the incorrect cleaner, the residues from the cleaner seriously impact the hardening process. They can leave you carbonized deposits on there or pit corrosion. The choice of the cleaner is fundamentally important in optimizing your production process. Likewise, after you've finished machining components, the cleaners are very important before you apply rust preventatives. So the cleaner again has to have a synergy to all of the rest of your production process. These days we see many new materials, alloys and so forth, and importantly, for example in e-mobility, we're needing to have all of the components to have a much higher surface finish because the noise of the transmission in an electric car can be very clearly heard. We don't have an internal combustion engine masking that sound. Cleaners from that historical path of being something a necessary evil are now a fundamental process tool. Cleaning technology as well has changed. The old days of just having a bath where we dunk the component in there has long gone. We now talk of cleaners having multifunctions. As an example, a cleaner can now be sprayed upwards of 30,000 psi. So it also acts as a deburring tool, so we can clean and deburr at the same time. Cleaners as well now for sustainability can be extremely highly filtered using, for example, osmotic membranes, such that the cleaner can be carried forward and reused. We can design cleaners to reject the tramp oils, the oils that we're trying to wash off. We can get them to emulsify the oils if we want them to carry that way forward. Another technology of cleaners is such that they, when they're spent and used, can be migrated into the cutting fluid, and so they have an extra life there. All through this, Petrofer's technology in cleaners is providing the customer with an improved process, better quality components, sustainable product technology, longer life of the fluids, and with the range of these we can also move away from the old-fashioned techniques where we're using potassium and hydroxides in there, and the chlorinated products can be removed safely if anybody still uses these. But all of these, from neutral cleaners to the alkaline cleaners, and occasionally sometimes still we require solvent cleaners, we can offer the whole portfolio to optimize the production process depending on what the substrate is that we're wanting to work on, what the contamination is that we want to remove, and what the end game is on there. We can optimize that process with you. We have the technology. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope to see you soon.